Hi chat! Welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? I am zoomed in too much. A little bit better. There we go. Let's see. It is Monday, the 27th of May of 2024. We are back for yet another stream. It's been a while. I was in Vienna, in Europe, for work, and I didn't feel like streaming on Saturday, so I just didn't. Yeah, mostly because part of it is I want to say that I'm running out of things to do, but I think more realistically, I'm just demotivated, which I guess is fine. But anyway, plan for today is to work on deadsnakes and fixing it. Zithrius! What is good, my fellow gamers? Thank you for the resub at 37 months. Holy shit, it's been a long time. It's good to see you again, and I hope you're doing absolutely wonderfully, Zithrius. But let me say hi to everyone who's here, and we will jump into things. JJMC was first today. Hello, hello. Pandoxer is also here. Good to see you again. DDels says, welcome back to the US. It's true. America, fuck yeah. Compiler TV says, may our children have wealthy parents. Yeah, I think that's what everyone wants, right? Woosa, hello, hello. How you doing? Transylvania boy, it has been a while. It's good to see you again. 25 stream streak, JJMC. Holy shit. God damn, that's so many. Zithrius is also here. Hello, hello. Easy Light's also here. How's it going? It's going. We need to get Anthony to start his Minecraft stream career. So funny you say that. I've actually been looking for a mod pack to play. And what was the other one? It was not Project Ozone, but it was like some Ozone Modern. Project Ozone 1.20. Ozone Skyblock Reborn. I think I was gonna try this one out, but I was looking at the system requirements, and my computer's getting a little old. So it might be time for me to build another computer. And I've been saying this for like a year. All the mods 9. I've heard that one's good too. Although I think there's a 10 out now. But yeah, I was looking for a modded Skyblock and one to play with me and Tina and my friend David. And maybe his partner. We'll see. But I need to do all that stuff too. Chandu, hello, how you doing? Welcome, welcome. Kiss Killer, welcome to the stream. Transylvania Boy says, speaking of games, have you played Factorio? I've watched Factorio. I own Factorio. I have not played it. But, God, it looks fun. I'm just like I'm really scared of starting it and then never being able to stop. Yeah, kind of like me and Faster Than Light. Man, I poured a lot of hours into that game. Drunk Time Lord, thank you for resub at 39 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Ayo, indeed. Welcome back. 800 hours in the Factorio. Damn. 1.2k. Holy shit. God damn. Zenpause, hello, hello. How you doing? Am I even logged into Steam? Let's see. Do I want to show this? Probably not. Yeah, you get 2 frames of my Steam library. Where's my, like, playtime thing? Profile. Oh, I only have 206 hours of Faster Than Light? I thought I'd have more than that. View all. Okay, this isn't as bad as I thought. I thought I'd played way more Faster Than Light than that. Yeah. Anyway. It's games. Friend of mine played Factorio a lot, was so proud of all the factories and efficiency and stuff. Yeah, I hear it's one of those games where you can like hyper optimize stuff. I mean, that's what I like to do in modern Minecraft. That's my factory optimization game. MyPod Jason rolling out soon. Nice, nice. I'll be able to kill a whole bunch of Kuji garbage that I have, which is cool. Would you be mad if I said I'm contributing rough? I don't care. Not my problem. We love FTL. I think I have 400 hours. We should play Multiverse sometime. What is that? Oh, it's a mod? Oh. I still haven't gotten the fucking crystal ship. I'm so mad. I've gotten so close to it like 6 or 7 times. Still haven't gotten the damn crystal ship. Oh, these guys look cool. Don't know what they're about. But yeah, I haven't done any modded FTL. Dude, I got so close to the crystal ship. I had the first 2 events, and I had 3 red sectors where it could have had the crystal cruiser in it, and I didn't get to it. Or was it? I forget how it works. FTL. I had like the first 2 parts of it. This thing. Layouts, yeah, shut the fuck up. I just want unlock. How do I unlock? Ancient device event. Yeah, this thing. Okay, so the 3rd step. Yeah, okay, so you have to get the Rock Homeworld's third thingy. Oh, wait. The Crystal Cruiser can also be unlocked by winning the game with layout A and B of all ships, not counting the Lanius Cruiser. I didn't know that. Oh, that's way easier. I can totally do that. I'm gonna open Wikipedia. I can totally do that. I feel like I have most of the ships except for the one that doesn't start with weapons or something, or it doesn't start with shields. The like cloaking ship. All right, hold on. The little break from this. The Manta ship. Oh, I love the Manta ship. I love that one so much. This is an FTL stream now. Why does it continue? Oh, I'm in the middle of a run. This looks like an early game run with my favorite ship. What sector are we on? 2. Okay. Main menu. Stats? Yeah, this is my favorite ship. I love this ship so much. Ship best. Okay, let's see. Kestrel, we've done A, B, and C. Mantis, we've done A and B. And not done C, but we only need A and B, right? Yeah, only A and B. Oh, I only have those 2 ships unlocked? Oh, I know, here we go. I haven't unlocked the B of this one. What? I thought B was unlocked when you win with A. Is that not what it is? Kind of make something of an autoplay FTL? No, that's... I mean, I probably could. Botting FTL would be really easy. Okay, we've done Mantis. NG, I don't have the B. Maybe I have B unlocked. I think that's what this means. Oh, is this how this works? You have to like get the achievements for them? Yeah, that's probably what it is. That's probably what it is. Yeah, you probably have to get these achievements. Damn. Okay, so NG I have unlocked. But I don't know what the B ship is about. The dick ship. I got the dick ship done, okay. The slugs. Ugh. I don't like playing slugs. Rock Cruiser. Okay, we've done it with A. Guess I'm not that far off, I guess. The Lanius, this is a cool ship to play. Oh, you have to ship from the hangar? Oh, is that when you click new game? I'm gonna leave whatever game I have in progress. Okay, so that's not so bad then. I didn't know you could do it from beating everything with the one ship. That's way easier than doing it the other way. 85 filter, hello, how you doing? But yeah, I've gotten the first 2 halves of this, or like 2/3 of this event done like 10 or 12 times. But never gotten the 3rd part. Anyway, FTL. Okay, so the plan for today is to fix dead snakes as usual. 13 and 14 are both failing. We're gonna take a look at that. Given it's all 3, it's probably merge conflict. Let's gonna be in fucking Pyrepple again? It is! Damn. Fixed deadsnakes as usual. That's every fucking stream for the last, like, 4 or 5 months. Usually the beta period is a nice, like, quiet lull in that, but nope. They're shoving last minute stuff into the betas, so no such luck there. And these take forever to clone. I should have done this before the stream. I always delete those clones because there's some weird state with them. Actually, I probably could have just pulled. Sneaky Checky Brecky, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. We're gonna let that go. Okay, so I'm actually running 2 Pokemon scripts right now. And the one downstairs has been fairly consistent. It's actually very cool. Let me show you what I've been doing with it, because skip 192.168.1.191 workspace. I will just get this folder. And the text.py, that should be all I need. Okay, so it's doing a similar raid thing to this, but it's doing it entirely offline and just resetting raids and trying to figure out what they are. It can figure out what type each of them are, and I have been saving screenshots of all of them. So if we look at Amarouge bug, here are some bug screenshots. And they're numbered by their star number and then what number that I encountered them with. And it takes a screenshot at this particular startup point in the raid, where you can see the Pokemon pretty clearly right here. And if it has a red eye, it's not shiny. If it has a blue eye, it's shiny. But you can see, like, there's a little bit of variation in these because it's not, like, the timing is a little bit funky. And so what I've been doing is I have a script which knows the Pokemon it's looking for, a rectangle to grab, and then the colors for each of the Terra types. Because if you look at, let me just get you all of the images. If we look at them per type, the colors are all different, annoyingly. But they're very similar. Just open the other one that's also being done there. So this one, there's a fish there. It's really hard to see the fish. But you can see that, like, the colors of the eyeball are very slightly different because of the Terra type here. So I basically need to get color swatches for every single Terra type, which is what all of these are here, and I've sort of manually, sort of automatically figured these out. I wrote a little script where I can click around on a bunch of pixels and it tells me the min-max. But sometimes they overlap the wraparound, so I need 2 ranges. That's a little bit annoying. But anyway, I can use this script. Let's see, Amarouge bug. 1 for sure. Amarouge bug. No module name CV2. I can use the script. Fucking A. No module name scripts. Alright, CP dasher. Try this again. Yeah, so I can use this script. This is the rectangle that I'm looking at, and you can see that the particular colors I've picked make the eye light up really, really well. And so I could know pretty well whether it's non-shiny or not. So that's what this script is doing downstairs. I did most of this offline, so that's why I don't have any information there. This is actually the 3rd or 4th approach that I used for this. The most recent one before this was way too inconsistent because there was like an animation. The Pokemon was moving while the camera was moving, and so getting it consistent was fucking hard. But this is working really well, so I've been happy with this. Expert Cheese says, hey, should I use Linux instead of Windows if I'm an aspiring developer, or should I use Linux from a VM? I'm not going to tell you how to set up your machine, but I'm running from a VM, and I don't know. I'd like to think I'm beyond aspiring. I don't know. Gutenberg asks if we want to join the Penis Club. How do we join? I'm not 15 and I don't have any pens. Can I still join? Yeah, there we go. But yeah, this has been chugging away. It's also able to do let's see if I can get this to work. Images, Palafin. I think this one's fairy if I remember correctly. Oh. Fire? Yeah, there we go. So it can also detect palafins too. Not as good about it, but can also do it. Any Jason, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. What's a streak? I don't know, but you got 3 of them. But yeah, that's another thing I've been working on offline. And I can watch the progress from this little URL here. Oh no, I've showed the IP on stream. But yeah, it got stuck recently. Okay, it's not stuck anymore. It got stuck recently and I need to figure out how. I think it encountered a Pokemon and that fucked up the whole thing, but yeah, I need to figure out what went wrong there, but shrugs. Oh, that sounds fun, Königgeist. Which ones are? I don't know. You don't have to spoil your location, but which ones are you checking out? Like West Coast, middle America. Parks are fun. I like going on hikes. Although there's not many, not much hiking to do in Michigan. It's pretty flat here. I guess I could go up north and do some up there, but. Anyway. Nope, not there. Where am I going? Is the bot running? Deadsnakes. 15 nightly. And I feel like every time I do this, I have to remember how to do it. I think we have to update the 3 branches with the nightly update branch script. Nightly update branch dot Ubuntu Noble. And it'll hit the merge conflict, and then we'll do that. Zion, Bryce Canyon, Yosemite. Oh, nice. I actually have a friend who's going to Yosemite as well. I went there once. Very cold when I went. Went on a big long hike. I really enjoyed it. Maniac! Thank you for the resub at 7 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Also, I missed that Königgeist. Yours is 36 months, which is a huge milestone. Y'all, how you doing, Maniac? From Alabama? Alright, what's our merge conflict? This fucking line, my god. Every fucking time, this stupid line. What even changed here? Oh. Windows shit. Okay. So I need to delete this line and these lines and then this line and then is pager before or after less? I think pager has preference here. Yeah, that looks right. Could not run get rebase. Where's the patch name? Debian patches pydoc use pager. Okay, added it before. Cool. Get the header shoe, get the rebase continue. PQ export. Refresh patches. Yay! Alright, Noble's done. Is re-enabled? It is, but it doesn't seem to work for whatever reason. on this. So I have to redo the same merge conflict 3 times. Which sucks. I don't use the diff3 format? No. I like to mostly keep my stuff very basic vanilla tooling. Oh. Hold on a sec. Unknown type grass. What the fuck? That's a known type. I'm gonna have to go deal with that. It's beeping downstairs. Let me just get this one done, and then I will fill up my water and go fix the thing downstairs. Continue. Export. Refresh patches. Git push origin head. And then gotta do vocal. But I don't know if you can hear it, but it's it's loud. I mean, it's loud enough that I can hear it, which I guess is the goal. But I don't think it's shiny. I think it's just a new type that I haven't seen before. Export. And the shoe. Pretty evident from your purple colored terminal. Technically these colors aren't the base Ubuntu ones, but they're pretty close. Okay, I did 3.13. I will be right back. I will see you in a sec. Also, we'll run an ad during the break so that people joining don't get an ad, because I forgot to do that at the beginning. I'll be right back. Okay, that was a lot harder than I thought because this mouse is my downstairs computer mouse, so I had to fix the script without a mouse. Oh shit, it's doing a real raid here. Fairy Palafin. Oh, it's not shiny though. Oh well. Anyway, we're back. Base colors from Ubuntu 12. Yeah. Yeah, with Tango. Yeah. It's true. SQLite is getting more popular among broader web dev communities as not a toy DB. I mean, it's fucking impressive. Good shit. But anyway, okay, we're back. So I should be able to re-trigger the 13 one. Actions. This one run. So we're gonna let that one run. So let's do 14 now. 13 on 13, copy link. Do the same thing? Probably, because 13 conflicted, so surely 14 did too. Just that file? Yeah. Okay. 14. Start with Noble. Rahim, hello, welcome. I was going to start a fake startup about vector databases in SQLite, call it VectorLite, and raise a bunch of capital. You should just, I mean, you're not thinking big enough. You gotta think like AI SQL. It knows what to query for you without you having to query it. And get even more grifty. Major, types. Why? Interesting that they wrote it like that. But cool. Good to see typing in the standard lib for a change. XAI raised 6 billion and their product is nothing. I don't even know what that is. Never heard of it. AI company with the mission of advancing scientific discovery and gaining a deeper understanding of our universe. Wow, their logo looks so bad. Oh, it's fucking Elmo. It's Elmo garbage. Let's see. Fucking Elmo. What's Elmo? Ah, yes. Yeah. There was a period on Twitter where if you said Elon, your account got temp banned or shadow banned or whatever. And so everyone, instead of directly shitting on Elon, started shitting on Elmo. Yeah. Twitter lore. I have an Elmo at my work desk, which I bring up when someone drags the conversation saying, enough, let's move on. That's good. I like that. Jimmy. Oh, right. Oop. Okay, glad that didn't get too far. I ran the wrong script. It's like, what the fuck? That's an error message I haven't seen before. Yeah, it's because I ran the wrong script. Fireable pager. Why is it beeping again? What's it beeping for this time? Oh, no way. No way if it's shiny. There's no way. Hold on. I'm excited. One sec. Ah, how do I resolve this conflict? I'm too excited. There's no way it's shiny, right? Alright. Sorry, we're gonna take a little break. Again. I'll be right back! Okay, it is actually shiny. Really hard to see. Oh, it's gonna be so hard to see. Yeah, there's a blue eye up over here. That means it's shiny. Now I have to win though. So give me a sec while I play a little Pokemon if you'll allow me. The screen, it's shiny. Yeah. Trust. But I'm an electric Pokemon against an electric Pokemon, so I don't have a good type matchup. But holy shit, this is actually a really fast hunt. Only like 500 resets? Yeah, that's me controlling. 468. That's huge. Use Thunderbolt. I've seen the anime. You'll win. I mean, that's basically what I'm doing. I'm a Bellybolt, and Bellybolt has like a really cool set where it just uses like a really a cheaty thing. Bet on the victory. No, I'm gonna win. I have basically all but guaranteed that this is a win. Because I just broke through the shield. See, not much health left, and plenty of time. Broken shield. Shiny armor rouge. Oh, that's so sick! And my script fucking worked? Oh, this is so hype. I'm so excited. I'll show you the screenshot in a sec, but the odds for this are 1 in 4,096, so like getting it in under 500 is insanely lucky. Catch with the right ball. Did I have balls on this game? Whew. Should I buy a Switch? I mean, I've enjoyed mine, but it depends on what kind of games you like. Imagine if you would have gotten it in one instead. I mean, that would have been nuts. My code, like the amount of code that I had to write for this. But yeah, it looks so good. Gonna work. Yeah, there we go. Look at its little blue eyeballs. I mean, it's a shitty shiny, but the eyeballs are cool. Oh, that's so hype. Oh, that's so cool. I was ready. Okay, so the estimated value for this is 56 days. 56 days of constant resetting was the expected value for this. So I am glad to have gotten it in like 2. Oh, that's so cool. I'm so happy. All right, cool. That means I only need one more dude. Just the script. Oh, we can change our Pokemon up too. Okay, let me re-trigger this, and then I'm gonna do some boring Pokemon stuff for a sec. Yeah. Alright. Actions. This one. Run. Main. Okay. So, because of the one I just got, there's only one Pokemon left. These sprites are basically the same, so that's why it's in here twice. And in order to beat that, I have to figure out all of the types. So, Pokemon type chart. I'm starting a Japanese class in June. Official Weebdom soon. Hey, there you go. Pokemon type chart. Yeah, I've opened this way too many times. All right. Normal, fire. I'm gonna put this off screen so I can just copy it real quick. Normal, fire, water, electric, grass, ice, fighting, poison, ground, flying, psychic, not physic, bug, rock, ghost, Dargon, dark, steel, and fairy. Okay, so these are all the types we have to beat. Oops. We have to figure out who's going to be the best type for those. And what Pokemon I'm going to use. Because we're just going to hyper-optimize for winning against Palafin now. So, Palafin has a strong water move, and other than that, it doesn't really matter, because I think it has a flying move that's not very strong. So, I know that we need to beat Steel, and so we're going to be using Zapdos for Steel. It's a strong fighting type. If it could beat Steel, I might as well use it for all the other ones that fighting is strong against. So normal. Those. Oh, it's so cool. I got that. Ice. Those. Rock. Zapdos. Dark. Those. Dark. Alright, so then we need to figure out what other people are doing this. So we're going to keep Belly Buddy in here, who is electric. So he's going to be good for water. Belly Bolt. Flying. Not very many. Flying. Belly Bolt. And then I have 2 Arceus of some type. And I don't know who else I have on this game. I think I have a grass dude. And I don't know that I built anybody else. But let's see what coverage we can get with that. I seem to remember that ground has the best type coverage, but ground is weak to water, so we don't want to use ground. And I seem to remember the next highest type coverage is ice with 4 to beat out grass, ground, and we don't care about flying, and dragon. Grass and ground are important to beat because electric can't touch them. Wilfred, hello, how you doing? Building a tree sitter based CFG. I don't know what CFG is. Oh, a configuration format? How's it going, Wilfred? Hope you're doing well. Are you here for the taco meat? So I think I'm gonna do Arceus Ice. To beat out these ones. Arceus Ice. Arceus Ice. Hey Kill, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Data flow diagram. Oh, a context flow diagram. Oh, interesting. So that gets rid of this. Although, wait, we have Grassman's. What was Grassman's going to be good for? Grassman's was going to be good for ground only. I wish I had another Arceus. I'm basically looking for min cover in Pokemon types, which is kind of funny. Water beats out fire, ground, and rock, so I can't pick those ones. What are the other good types? I mean, rock is one of the best types, and ground is the best offensive type because it has the most weaknesses attacks. But we can't use either of those. Oh, I'm dying. I'm just so excited. Look, what do we have left? We got to beat electric. Electric's a tough one. Ground is its only weakness. Okay, so we're not beating electric that way, but that's fine. I have a steel type mans right now who's good defensively, and it's good against ice, rock, and fairy. Okay, so not that useful now. You know what? I think I'm just gonna swap out my Arceus ground for a better type. So let's figure out what I have now, and then we'll adjust that. Specific is what it's called. Billy Buddy, 2 Arceuses, Superior, and we're gonna get rid of Houndoom. So yeah, sorry, give me a sec. Did you know if x/init.py and x.py both exist, which one gets run when you import x? So the funny thing about this is MyPy gets it wrong in some places, which is very annoying. This is green? No, not this screen. This screen. Okay, we're gonna do some Pokemon stuff for a sec. Sorry. It would be so wild if one of these was shiny and I'd have done all this for nothing. Okay, we can not shiny. Init.py gets precedence? Yeah. But MyPy gets confused about it. There's another case. There's another case too. There's a third case where this happens. So, and I don't remember the answer to this. So if you have z.py and z and another module in z, and if you do from z import q, what do I get? Oh, I need to put lowercase q. From z import q. Q will be 3. I should just do print name in these. So yeah, so it imported this module, and I can access the oh, I can't access the whole module. Okay, so this successfully hides this module by doing this. It's just weird. Also, wait, how did this work? This is only supposed to succeed if this is of module type, but it's not module type here. Oh my fucking god, this is so confusing. But anyway, MyPy gets this wrong, which is fun. But very, very annoying. Arguably, this should be an error, but it confuses the hell out of MyPy, and for whatever reason, the Sentry codebase seems to do this a lot, and so there's a whole big mess to clean up there. Okay, but anyway, I need to optimize raid mans to just beat out Palafin. Which should be pretty easy as long as I swap out Arceus ground for some other type. And then it should never lose. It occasionally loses right now against Palafin water. I think. Oh no, not Palafin water. Palafin grass? No. What would ground be chosen for? But what would ground be chosen for but die to water? Fire, electric, poison. I guess any of those. Any of those would be bad. Oh, that's so fucking cool that I got the Armor Rouge. The reason that I was hyper optimizing for Armor Rouge, by the way, is it is very fucking strong in that it is my worst win percentage against any of these Pokemon. Elfenrod, thank you for the resub with Prime at 26 months. It's good to see you again, and I hope you're doing absolutely wonderfully. Yeah, 5 Armor Rouge, a little bit easier to beat, but 6 Armor Rouge, holy shit, I get wrecked. I guess 6 Ceruledge I also get wrecked by, but I got this one shiny very early on, so I didn't have to optimize that one. But oh, this Pokemon was so hard to beat. And so I'm glad I beat it in the 1v1 and got it there instead. Silly Laird is also here. Hello, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. But how you doing, Elfenrod? How you been? How are things? Oh, you got the fancy badge. I gotta give you this. Congrats, welcome to VIP. So I'm just currently optimizing my raiders against this fish, Palafin mans. So hopefully I can get that one shiny, and then I can be done. That's the last mans that I need. Until they make more of them available from raid events, probably. Been good, been busy every time you've been online, so I haven't been able to catch you for a while. Ah, fair enough. Well, today is a holiday, so we're streaming today. Although I should have streamed on Saturday, but I feel like it, so I didn't. Junk Time Lord, thank you for the gift sub to Senpause. And Silly Laird's got a 5-stream watch streak. Appreciate the gift sub, Junk Time Lord. And there's your button. There you go, Wilfred. I don't know if he's still there. Oh yeah, I was gonna grab the screenshot of the shiny so that I can show that off. Okay, so Ventmans. You know, I don't actually have. I have another slot to use, but I don't have a good Pokemon to put in it. I guess I could put this music. I had Umbreon, who's just like a nothing, and these are the most recent shinies that I've gotten from this. Damn, you know, I thought I had another Pokemon. I guess not. I have to get another. I have to get another Arceus to really. I guess I'll only do it with 5. Each gift gives you 500 channel points. Oh, that's new. I didn't know gift subs gave channel points. I'm gonna farm babbies. Yeah, Twitch really trying to suck the money out of that one, right? Okay, so let's actually get rid of Houndoom. Zapdos is in the 5th slot now. Let's get rid of this. And we can have Zapdos handle Steel, Dark, Rock, and Ice now. Oh wait, Steel. Is it 5 types? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's 5 types. It's also normal. Fighting is also a very good type. Get rid of normal ice. Dark. I just tried to. What did I try to do? I've been using my work laptop so much that I just tried to press the function key to do delete. Okay. What is our little? I had this open. Okay. So we want to get Arceus Ice instead of Arceus Ground. Grass Fairy Dragon Ground. Okay, we got someone to handle ground. This will need to change. We'll just have Arceus Ice handle that one. Yeah. Function, Anthony. What? What am I supposed to do? Oh, we're looking at the wrong screen. Oh, but I need to look at the other screen because I need to change guy's type. I gotta go not up there. The current event. That doesn't sound right. Anyway, bear with me while we do this. Oh, we can see if these succeeded too. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I'm so hyped. Mukhtar thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Right city. Yeah. Cool. Code Monkey sing along soon. Code Monkey get up, get coffee. Code Monkey go to job. Code Monkey sit through boring meeting with boring manager on. Rob say Code Monkey very diligent, but his output stink. His code not functional or elegant. What do Code Monkey think? Code Monkey think maybe manager ought to write goddamn login page himself. Code Monkey not say it out loud. Code Monkey not crazy, just proud. Code Monkey like Cheetos. Code Monkey like Tab and Mountain Dew. Code Monkey very simple man with big warm fuzzy secret heart. And Code Monkey like you. And Code Monkey like you a lot. Okay, I gotta switch the plate on. Yeah, you can have a free one. Kegzit's also here. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Here somewhere. Icicle plates. Give to you. Yes. Clap, clap, clap. Yeah. Whoa, it changed type. Oh, the ice type looks pretty cool. Yeah, that looks. I just stand somewhere with minimal lag. This place has lots of lag. The city I was in is fairly lag free, so I usually. Oh, your connection's bad. Oh no, your French internet can't keep up. I think I was just staring at this wall before. Right. We've got ice in the third slot now. Okay. Rollers around. Beep 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 beep. Boot into the game. It's Edgerome. Oh, I don't know what that is. Which Edgerome? Ice baby. I type out that. Ick. Some people are taking all the bandwidth. Oh. Okay, so what are we using ice for? Grass and ground. Oh, we're handling it with steel before. Oh, but ground is handled by superior. Superior is probably a better choice for that. Ah, so ice is not really that useful. Okay. Ice is not very useful because I was really only going to be using it for grass. Steel is also not very useful. Okay, so let me find better types for this. So we know we want to do this one. EP is in flying and water. We're going to do belly bolt. Okay, so ice is actually not great, not helpful. So we have ground as superior. These are the types that we have left. Grass is tricky, and ground is handled. Grass is tricky because we don't have good dudes for it. Is there something that we can beat with grass? Doesn't have that many weaknesses, does it? Grass is weak to fire, can't really use fire. Ice, we're not doing that. Poison can be 2 types. Poison might be a decent choice. Flying might be a decent choice. Bug, oh bug. Bug has got 2 types also. Bug is bad because it gets wrecked by one of its other moves, so I don't want to use bug. Poison though, poison is decent. Oh, electric is a tricky type too, so I gotta think about that. Electric is only weak to ground, so we just need something that can hit it neutral. You know what, fuck it, maybe we just go with ice. That way I don't have to rethink about all these things. Just easier that way. Alright. Grass, fairy, dragon. We use RC to steel. Yes, fairy, steel. Oh no, we can use ice for dragon. Oh, actually. Grass and dragon, then we'll use RCS ice. Okay. Dragon and grass. We'll use ice. We also need to use ice for electric. Most of the other types aren't very good. Okay, so we can't use fire, we can't use rock, we can't use ground, because they are all weak to water. Water would be good, because it beats rock and ground and fire. Except we don't care about ground because we have grassmans. Oh, but our grassmans can also beat up rock and water. So let's actually... Oh, but we don't need it for water. So let's use it for rock. Oh, except we're using rock up here. Okay, never mind. Oh my god. This is such a stupid puzzle that I don't want to do. Ethan, hello. How you doing? So we don't need Eerie steel. Do we have any other problem types? Does bug resist electric? Bug defensive type. No, electric is only resisted by electric, grass, and dragon. And we've handled those. Grass, dragon. Electric needs to be in here somewhere. Electric. And I guess we can just make the rest of them handled by Belly Buddy. So what is left? So we've got normal. We need fire. We are already handling water. We are handling electric, grass, ice, fighting, poison, ground. We're handling here. Flying, psychic, bug, rock, ghost, dragon, dark, steel, and fairy. Spyro! Thank you for the resub at 20 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, this is basically like shitty set cover. Ethan's here. Hello, hello. How's everyone's Monday? It's going well. Looks like not much beats Ghost. Dark type covers that, and Psychic. It does. It does. But I don't really want to go change my types again. And the Pokemon I'm trying to beat is not very strong. So this should be good enough. Assuming the teammates, the random online teammates, don't suck so much. But let's kick this off again. I think that should be fine. Hopefully. Pokemon! Beladathis, thank you for the resub at 40 months. Holy shit. 4-0. Let's go. How is PyCon, by the way? I'm pretty sad that I missed it, but it's almost entirely my fault because I wasn't super paying attention, and then it just kind of snuck up on me. Speaking of set cover, Ruby hash maps have a dot include question mark method, which is linear time to mimic arrays, and to get the benefit of sets, you need to use dot cover instead. Oh, that's Just Dreamer. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, we're gonna let that do its thing. Oh, I'm so happy. So happy I got this thing. Oh, but I wanted to show you the photo as well. 192.168.1.191.5000. Why isn't this tab completing? Oh, because I need another colon? Oh, because it's not 5,000. What the fuck am I doing? Look at that! Look at that! Oh, it's so good! Look at that! Oh, it's so cool. It's so cool. Pandemic 70 indeed. It was really fun. It felt like PyCons of yesteryear. It's always super fun to go to dinner with Pythonistas. Nice. See a bunch of interesting topics announced. Can't wait to check them in recording. Sub-interpreters and no guilt in particular. Neat. Neat, neat. Ah, but this is so cool. Oh, I need to commit the code for that because A192.168.1.191. I've been working on a side branch, and if you look at the commit message here, whip abandoned. The expected value for this approach is 1 in 205 plus days. But it turns out we got it, so yeah. Yeah. But let's figure out how I can rebase out the patches here, since it probably should be in several commits instead of how it's done here. I guess what I can do is I can just push this I can push this as is, and then I can rebase it on my own. Rebase it on my own. In outside of the remote machine instead of this one here. What is the change here? Oh, our strategy switch up. Simplify strategy. Since let's left is Palafin. That's probably gonna make me pull first. Right. Go. UBH 7 trippers are kind of just better than no gill. Less breakage, only cost us startup time. Yeah. Yeah, the new API is going to be a big pain in the butt. But what you gonna do? Okay, so let's figure out how to rebase this branch. Okay, so the first thing to do. Why did this get deleted? This looks better. What? Did I do the diff backwards? Oh, yeah, this looks better, but why? Oh, it's green now. Okay. I just had the diff backwards. Yeah, the JIT stuff sounds cool. I'm just a little bit sad that, like, okay, so let's see. Git. Okay, let's look at this. So we add that, we add simplify all these, and then this is new and this is new down here. Oh, but only some of it. Okay, so we get checkout dash P. We're not discarding that. We're not discarding this. We can't split this. No. No. Yeah, here's the problem. We want to get rid of this part here. So no. So we just got to get rid of large stars. Not too bad. No. So this is unrelated to this patch. Let's get rid of this. I'm just cleaning up commits. There's no reason for me to do this, but better now. Oh, this we can get rid of too. Simplify raid template images. Okay, so then we can check out this and rebase it again. Just do this. Whoa, how did that apply cleanly? Oh, because I didn't push. Do it. This should conflict now. Do 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 do. That comes back. Comes back as well. Seems like a weird place to put that. Large star count. Where's the other one? Oh, because it's just all wrapped up in this other thing. Select Pokemon. Kiss Killer says, as a professional, do you find the need to use full-fledged GUI IDEs and debuggers? I haven't used one in over a decade. So, nope. But there's nothing wrong with them. I just feel more comfortable without them. So there's nothing wrong with using them. And you're not a, less of a rock star gamer if you don't use one or do use one. And that's fine. Maybe we're getting callable syntax pep. Oh, yeah, because the callable syntax is kind of messy. All right, what are we down to now? Add large stars, cool. Add rare Pokemon, cool. That's all specific to this. Ooh, skip day. Out. Oh, and this actually doesn't need a wait here due to the way that it works, but what's your favorite shirt and why is it the shark shirt? I'm a little bit sad. My favorite shirt has a hole in it now. So RIP my one of my All-American Reject shirts that I really like. But what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Okay, so I think this is actually probably just fine to apply now. Add offline read script. So successful after 468 resets, surprisingly. Expected value. Sure, fuck it. Git merge raid offline if only. Sweet. Sick. Oh, that's so nice. It's good to be done with another one of these. Okay. So what did I do? We got another auto update. It's auto up dog day. Oh, and it's gonna be a big one because auto pip 8's spelling. I mean, it's a big one for me, but no one fucking uses auto pip 8 anymore, right? Oh, look, and the nightly's passed. Man, everything's coming up green today. Oh, exciting. Okay, so the other thing that I want to work on. Oh. The other thing that I want to work on is we started on it, and then I was like, oh, this is tough and annoying. I don't know if I want to finish this. But we gotta finish it because someone who's paying me money is like, please do this for me. So that's how things work. Yeah. Light worker. We were at this to do. This issue, load the PR object. Yeah. So we got to Shady here. And I basically need to get the full event here and print it out, and we need to fix it because yeah, we need when we get to shady here. Resp.json event. I actually wanted to print out the full event here, so we're gonna make a PR and muck around with this. I thought we did this before. I thought we were already working on this, but maybe I closed the PR. It's not open. Oh my, it is Autopdog Day. I just got a whole bunch more things. Oh, another thing that I did offline is I have this little admin panel that I use for pre-commit.ci, and it allows me to like quickly requeue stuff if like GitHub has an outage. Like you can see it's 0 here. Occasionally items get stuck in the dead letter queue if the install gets deleted. And that's pretty easy to fix. In that like if the install's gone, the run will never succeed. And it's like a well-known failure. The problem is the error message that GitHub gives for please retry until this is merged and the install is deleted are exactly the same error message. So I'm cautiously not deleting those ones. So every once in a while I have to come in here and manually kick them out. But what I did instead is made a change so that the admin panel will delete items that don't have an install. So like if install is none, then it just drops them directly. Ian's gotta head out. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you as always, and I'll see you around in the future. Have a good one. But yeah, basically just dropping items that that don't have an install. But I did this on the airplane and I fucked it up. little typo here. I'm surprised Linder didn't catch it, but I kind of understand why it didn't. But because side effects, appending side effects count as a use in Pipelike. So I'm Lurk. I'm locking in, building some fancy CFG features. Nice, sounds good. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. Have fun with your Lurk. Did we already win a raid? Was I just not paying attention and we won one already? Oh, cool. 1-1-1-1. But yeah, this win rate should go up now that I'm no longer doing Armor Rouge. Okay, anyway, I want to print out the event here so that I can debug this offline. Where does this come from? Repo ID, run ID. Lite worker handler. I guess we'll just print out the Lambda event, and that'll be how we can do this. Because I'm pretty sure, yeah, we just have a data as our thing in here. So I can just print out one of these. Process message. Process message. Yeah, so I'm just gonna print message. That'll give us one of these, and then we can debug it offline. That's the plan. That's the plan. Lite worker GitHub API. Well, I mean, we can leave the to do in there because that's what we have to do. It's fine. Handle other events. Handle non-pull request events. God damn it. Yeah. Line too long in the let's see. Actually, we're gonna specifically handle issue comment and is it labeled? GitHub actions pull request label. Well, we'll just start with this. The important one. Although, wait, if labeled just work? If label just works and I don't have to write any code, that would be way better. And then, let's see, pull request, label. gotta use the bathroom. I'll be right back. I'll see you in a sec. It's like, surely I can get this working and then we can do that. But no, I should have done this while I was downstairs. But I'll be right back. See you in a sec. Alright, we're back. I also filled up my water so that I would kill two birds with one stone and just kind of get that out of the way so we don't have to do that in a bit. But yeah, I wanted to not print. Wanted to log into my other GitHub account. Oh, and I have to do Ace Dolly 2. paste and log in. MFA code from my doodad down here. I really don't like the GitHub auto presses submit on the MFA code. So if you typo it, they're like, no, you're wrong. You fucking idiot. How could you screw this up? Okay, so we were playing around with this. We wanted to adjust this. But we wanted to use labeled. I think it's actually issue labeled now that I think about it. Let's see. I know that we use this. Where do we use this? Somewhere in here. This one. Pull request target labeled. I think labeled, pull request labeled is an event. Pull request labeled. Pull request labeled. Huh. That might work. So instead of issue comment, we can do what? Should have kept that tab open. I do. Use this. Yeah, that's gonna work way better, I think. Labeled, open, reopened, synchronized. Here as well. And so we can say the condition here. Oh, I make this go away. You can't hide this stupid sidebar? It's taking up all my room. No. God. That's so dumb. Pre-commit.ci. Run. Event is not labeled. Checkout. I think I can get rid of all of this. Yeah, let's try that. We really want you to search Marketplace. Yeah, if you get annoyed enough to F12 and purchase sidebar from the page, yeah, or set up a grease monkey script to just nuke it. But add a file which takes 2 passes to resolve. What was the patch here before? Because we got to do this again. Okay, let's do this. And close this. And we gotta do it again. Add new file. Pi. It's 2 passes to resolve. Who is Ace 2? Yeah, it's definitely not violating the terms of service here. No, it's so that I can fuck around with a dev account while having that separate from my primary account. Yeah. Okay, well that's going. Notifications. There's a 2S to only have one account? Yeah, unless you're using it for like a business need or something like that, which, yeah, this is a business need. Bunch of these to merge. Zoom out so that I can. Oh, it zooms in the private tab too? Weird. Anthony, why don't you automate this? Because I like clicking this stupid button. Oh, really? Cat Peasant, hello. Good evenings. How you doing? Welcome back. Good to see you again. Resume this somewhere around here. Okay, so it failed, which is good. But now we want to trigger it with a with a label. Set of labels. New label. Pre-commit.ci run. Done. Can you make IDs for labels? No. I could have sworn there's like some ID thing, but maybe that's custom shit that it's done. Okay, so in theory, if I attach this label, it should run again. Maybe. Maybe. Whisper, hello. Quick fingers. It's me, the quick fingers. Okay, so this seems to have progressed. It is running. Yo! Okay, that's easy. I don't have to write any code then. Okay, yeah, that's a lot better. Yeah. So it's just have to document this then. Okay, that's way easier. Pre-commit CI. Where the fuck is this? Lite action. I gotta make sure that I didn't do anything custom in this like side branch. Beyond commit side. Is this gonna show me the diff? What's this? Oh, okay. So I don't need to set it off. So I can just delete this print, I think. What am I doing? Marsha's here. Hello. How you doing? Raise within. Welcome. I'm M Blanky. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. This the button? There we go. Delete. We got to go back here and edit this. And is it V1 1.0.2? I think it was. Yes. Back to mainline action. Been a long time. It has been. I hope you're doing well. Still, been a bit for me as well. When was the last time you were here? I can just look. Today's the 27th, so not that one. Oh my, you said so much last time. This scroll bar. How do you do? Oh, I thought I saw it. No. 2020. Oh my god, it has been a long. I still remember your name, but it's been fucking years. What the hell? It's been years. It's been, it's been a whole pandemic. 2020 was 15 years ago. Yeah, holy shit. Welcome back. Canero Zonal, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Like, damn, that name looks familiar. It's been so long. It's been so long. Okay, anyway. I can close this. We can try it again just to make sure that it works. Add file. Hopefully, still my paste buffer. Yeah, nice. Takes 2 passes. Create new branch. Propose changes. Create pull request. This should work. This should work real nice. Don't worry, my grandkids will watch Anthunk with me. Yeah, hopefully I'm still around then. Hopefully I don't completely give up on this streaming thing. Jazz Robot, thank you for the resub at 44 months. IWC Bongo. Hey. Good to see you, Shaz. I hope you're doing well. Oh man, everything's coming up in gold this stream. I'm so glad this stupid label thing works. This is way easier than having to change all the backend code. Canner Zonal says, "What you made is awesome, dude. Keep going. I support you. I'm glad. I'm glad. We got Boopy the Fox. Yo, what a name. You've been here before. You've been here last year. Welcome back, Boopy. That's a good name. I like Boopy the Fox. You'll be packaging Python 3.56? Yeah, and I'll be resolving fucking merge conflicts until I die. Maybe by that point, the Debian patches will all be upstreamed, and then I won't have to do any special patching. Probably not. You've been. Good to hear. Good to hear. Boopy. Boop. Automatic fixes. Apply the label. Failure, and then it should run it. Pushed. Yo, okay, that's cool. That's really cool. It's the year 2048. Re still doesn't work. Yeah. Let's see if there's a GitHub remove label action. Is there an easy way to remove a label? Oh, hi. Oh, hi. It's Tina with goodies. Oh, and my mice. My mice. Don't show that on stream. Thank you. I got balls. I got milky balls. Yeah. Milky balls. And look, cheap mice, because mine died. It actually died today, Tina. Yeah, it just like completely stopped working. Like it was doing that double click thing, which was really annoying, but then it just stopped. So I stole the one from downstairs. What's that? No, I threw it in the trash. No need to hard mod the dead mouse. Although maybe it would be cool. Yay, another cheap ass Logitech mouse. He needs a mouse, fake dev? Yeah. True. Oh, it's so clean. Look at how clean the mouse looks. There's no grimy finger gunk on it. The bottom has the little nubbies on it still. It's so clean. I'll pick up that trash later. Yeah, it's right here. Trying to be a data science. I've learned Python well. What else do you suggest for me? Nowadays, I've been learning NumPy and Pandas. I would recommend building projects. That's always my recommendation. Build projects. Isn't there like a GHPR GHPR label remove? I'm just gonna guess the command. PR edit. Labels. Remove label by name. Pull across current branch. Yeah, let's fucking try that. See if that works. What's up? No. Yeah. Bye. Oh yeah, I got my milkies. I gotta get my milky balls. Yeah. Yeah. Chad's going to housewarming party. Hope you have a good stream. Glad I caught a little bit. Yeah, glad you stopped by. It's always good to see you, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'm hoping that there's enough permissions. It should have plenty of permissions. Okay, so I should be able to, after checkout, run GH, I don't even need another line, GHPR, what the fuck was it? GHPR edit. Edit, remove label, pre-commit.ci run. If github.event.action is equal to labeled and github.event.label.name is pre-commit.ci run. I'm probably gonna need quotes. Probably gonna yell at me. Auto remove the label. It's still running it, so maybe it's fine. Bum 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 bum. Let's try this again. I'm done editing the commit messages. It's good enough now. Thanks so much, dude. Do you have any ideas where I can find a build project? Any site can help me? I would recommend to find something that you care about and then make it happen. The problem with just like random project sites is you'll start working on something that you just don't give a shit whether it works or not. You know, it'll tell you to make like a to-do app, and you're like, I don't need a to-do app. I have a phone, or I have, you know, a calendar already. I don't need that. But if you find something in your life that's just a little bit annoying, and you could feel like you could automate it, or like, you know, one example for me is I have a music app on my phone, and I hate it. It doesn't work very well. It's buggy, cuts out all the time. And so I would, you know, if I had more time to work on stuff, I would love to just sit down and make an Android app that makes a music app that works exactly how I want it to work. It'd be my music app, and it would work great. Or like, you know, this Pokemon thing was something where it was like, I bet I could automate this. And so I just learned all I needed to learn to make it happen. You know, learned a shit ton about image recognition and capture cards and OCR and like all this other stuff that I've learned just to make that Pokemon thing work there. And that was all something that was just like, yeah, I have an idea. I'm gonna try and make it happen. And you could do the same. And it'll work great. Another jokes you can tell yourself. Yeah. Yeah, the thing is, making all these things is hard work, and there's no way that I'll make a better music app, but it'll be fun to try. All right, let's see if this label gets removed now. Come on. Damn. Use the GitHub command line in a GitHub action workflow. Set the GH token environment variable. Couldn't it just do that for me? Yeah. GHCI needs GitHub GH token. I'm surprised it didn't just pull it out of Git, because it's definitely on disk. Just remove the label. That should do nothing here. There is an unlabeled action, but that's not the one that triggers here. And if we do this now, it should remove it. Your WinApp is going source available. People still use WinApp? Have a nice stream. Well, thank you for stopping by. Added the label. Now what? Could not determine current branch. Failed to run Git. Not on any branch. Well, that's fucking annoying. We can at least put the number in there, though. I think it's pull request.number or something. GitHub.event.number. Sounds like the thing. Blurp, blurp, blurp. Again. GitHub.event.number. Need the PR number to remove label? Question mark. May the success be with you. Yeah. Me. I hope I have some success here too. Surely this will work now, right? Me have this suck. Yep. That's the goal, Marsha. Hey, let's go. Cool. Yeah, let's document this now. Cool. Oh, this is so much nicer than having to edit all the code for this. Pre-commit.ci / pre-commit.ci. Yes, it's the website. Yes. This killer says, Anthony, do you have an FAQ for resources and such? My YouTube videos was probably the best one. Here's the GitHub, which is a lot easier to search. This is like all of my programming videos. Oh, there's also the FAQ for all of the stuff about myself and my channel and things like that. This is such a funny video. This is such a funny title. Wait, why are these out of order? Date added newest. Why does this one have the shitty thumbnail? That doesn't sound right. What does it look like over here? I don't think those are in the right order. Playlist. Stream FAQ. Huh. Why did I do that? I just didn't make a thumbnail. Weird. No, it is actually in the right order. I just didn't make a thumbnail for some reason. Anyway. It's not a big deal. This tweet wins the day. What do we got here? Why? No, nobody needs that. Okay, what was I doing? Oh, documentation. Yeah. Content light. Um. It may also be desirable to trigger auto fixing manually. For instance, when it would normally be prevented by I should say pre-commit.ci will skip pushes made by bots to prevent infinite loops. One can set up a workflow which triggers on a label to force an autofix. Here's an example using the workflow above. Take this and slap it in here. And we need to add for the 4 here. Should I just do this as a diff? Maybe it'll be easier to understand as a diff. We'll just do it as a diff. Oh, fucking A. And I think my website will have nice syntax highlighting. Hopefully, this should say diff. Misty's nuts. Hello, hello. Welcome back. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. I see you found your account again. How's it going? Don't worry, I missed you too. I still think about you all the time. Oh, I know why this needs quotes. This needs quotes because of these pet characters. Yeah. Add docs for triggering light via label. D of the Snuts family, indeed. European time zones. Yeah. It's a holiday in the US, so that's why we're here today. I should really stream more work. Timer says, some career advice would be great. My entire job experience, my first company was parsers, dev tools, command line stuff in Python. I love this work. Dev tools and parsers are awesome. But I get the feeling I'll be unhireable, at least in India, once I leave. What do you think? What paths can I take ahead? Yeah, that's tricky. Because, well, I think like what skills you have are things that I really enjoy and like I love to work on. But you're right. It is potentially something that is very limiting in what you can work on. Because it kind of locks you into like very specific stuff. But I also think like, you know, if you're smart enough and you can design stuff and work on things and build stuff, any programming knowledge is pretty easily transferable to anything else. Oh yeah, we can use carpet boba because we've got the bubble teas today. It's true, Beldos. I didn't even think of that. Just don't work, bro. Yeah, that's the other way. Oh, you know what? I was like, oh, I wonder what this render's like. We can just fucking look at it. We can build it and see. I forgot about that. So we can Firefox lite.html. We'll see if the diff shows up nicely. Please, please, please. Fuck! It doesn't have nice highlighting. No. We can fix that though, right? Right? Surely. GI. We have CSS for this somewhere. Somewhere. So that image? No. Because I'm pretty sure there's a diff here, right? No? I can see it in my head. I just don't remember what website I did it on. Oh, you know what? You don't need to guess. We can find it. All repos grep. It should be this GI class. I could probably... yeah, that's gonna find too much stuff. In CSS or SCSS? Yeah, there we are. See, it is in pre-commit.com, so where the fuck is it actually used? Console documents.query selector.gi null gd. What the fuck? Oh, get code that. Oh, that makes CEO wipes have quite high ROI, good investment. Yeah, as long as you don't get prenupped. I'm already looking for a millionaire CEO wife. Hey, there you go. So it is GI and GD, but I thought there was more like background to it. I thought it gave more pop. Not though. Annoying. Where did I clone this repo? It is there. Okay, we have inline CSS here, so we can do whatever we want. Oh, I do have it here. It's right here. It's just not on that page for whatever reason. Can just get this and here. And make. And refresh. Nice. That looks a little bit better. Yeah, that's decent. I think I'm gonna call it pre-commit.yaml instead, though. And do this. Is that how that works in Git? I think. A/B/, yeah. Are you saying I should start writing SQL? Okay. Hopefully this looks good. Dang, the problem with drinking all this tea is I use the restroom again. I'll be right back. I'll see you in a sec. I'm back. You know, I was thinking about it. We're adding label support for the lite version. It might be nice to it might be nice to add this to the main version too. So I wonder if I could get a I guess if I would check if I have the webhook set up already. If I don't have it set up already, then it's kind of a pain in the ass. But if that webhook already goes through, then oh, I don't think I have any balls left. Just tea now. Just milk now. Okay, but give me one sec. I need to reply to this person so that I can tell them that I set up their stuff for them. Ferment 10, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Bloop, 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 bloop. That's good enough. Oh shit. Oh. I was supposed to send someone an invoice and I never clicked send. Ah. Well, I'll have to do that later. That's dumb of me. Gotten more paid, but I didn't. Okay, anyway, let's clean this up. Since we are done with this now, I can close out. Nice little docs there. Sweet. Let's see how much work this is to add to pre-commit.ci proper now. That sounds cool. Oh, and I can delete these branches now. Oh, but then I'd have to remove the label. And that sounds annoying. Maybe it's not too bad though. Web blueprints, GitHub. So there should be a webhook. Okay, we do actually receive the labeled webhook, which is good. Some of these are legacy. Do we even need these anymore? Integration installation. I don't know if we even receive those anymore. That code might be dead. Chair, hello, how you doing? Welcome back. I'm kind of cool, not gonna lie. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if I need these anymore. It'd be interesting to see. I don't even know how I'd find them. I also, like, it doesn't hurt to leave this here. I mean, it hurts internally. It hurts my bones. But I think it doesn't matter that much. And go through all of these. Just the related dev notifications. I think. Yep. Then here we got Yelp Cheetah, which I wish I had time to give it a proper fixing. I don't. Stabby Zaddy, it has been a while. Wait, there was this whole, we had this whole like meme about you last time you were here, right? When was this? So long ago. Oh, you're talking to a user I haven't seen in forever in this previous text. It was, is this another 2020 viewer? Where the fuck is the thing? Oh my god, it's also been since 2020. Holy shit. We've had 2 people from 2020 show up in this stream, which is wild. It's been a whole pandemic. But how you doing? Welcome back. You're also the second person that I was like, I know that username, but it's been a while. And then I'm like, oh shit, it's been 4 years. Because In Blanky also showed up this stream. That's crazy. And we got Misty's Nuts. Yeah, we're back. We're back in 2020, baby. We never left. But yeah, it's a little bit different now. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, cool. Let's see if we can get this labeled working. Okay, so it'll be this comment here. Def labeled issue comment. Specifically pull request label. Oh, so that's easy enough to do. And my webhook thing takes the data. Do none. Been labeled, okay. What do you mean? It's 2020, says Easy Light. Yeah. Stabby Zaddy says, how are you handling 312? We've been having trouble at work. I have slowly been getting Sentry onto 312. It's been a lot, but we're almost, like, the tests are passing now. Author, Ace Tilly, Sentry. Yeah, you can see I started this branch in February, and it is now passing. I'm gonna try and deploy it next week. But I've had to rebase this like hundreds of times. And none of the actual work is in that branch. It's all been split out into other branches. So like I had to get rid of setup tools support. Had to upgrade some stuff. The annoying thing is Python 3.12 makes the test suite slower. I'm hoping it's not slow enough that people notice, but I'm pretty sure someone will. These are all the things that I had to do. Let's see. Need to get off setup tools so we can get on Python 3.12. So I moved all of our build shit out of setup tools. Honestly, it was a pain in the ass in setup tools, so glad I moved it out. This is more moving the build around. Had to upgrade a bunch of packages. This is one where I actually submitted a fix upstream for, which is cool. These are annoying. Params type. Oh, I remember this. That's not actually related to 3.12. This was to upgrade to try and get faster coverage. It didn't actually make it faster. Got rid of distutils, which is big hype. It wasn't really used in much places, just in this like setup tool stuff that I ended up deleting. This assertion was doing nothing, which is great. So I had to fix that. Is that 6? Accept info exception directly. Oh, right. This is some weird exception nonsense. Yeah, because accept info is going away. I had upgrade protobuf, which had a seg faults, which was fun. Fix some warnings. These actually weren't needed to upgrade, but it reduced a lot of noise. Same for this. Virtual env was broken. More UTC stuff. Typing extensions was broken. PsychoPG2 was broken. Message pack was broken. High Redis was broken. Oh, the High Redis one was really annoying. PyYAML was also broken. JRPC was broken. Background GitHub breaking brews installed Python 3.12. Oh yeah, I remember this. GitHub and Brew both wanted to write to the same place for some fucking reason. Anyway, yeah, I didn't have to fix too much, but that's mostly because I fixed a lot of it when fixing warnings for previous stuff. But we're upgrading an internal library to 312 and it's hard. What stuff are you running into that's tricky? What did 312 do? Yeah. Is 312 an epic or capability? Fixer Jake, hello. How you doing? You just pip install setup tools? Yeah, but the problem is we were using setup tools to do our internal build stuff. It was very annoying. One fun thing I had to do is backport string tokens for f strings from tokenize when moving to 312. Oh. Yeah, I just had to update everything to do that. 312 is a way of life. Yeah. Okay, so in the comment thing, we do this API comment react. So we need to check the label here. I am just going to, for now, print the data here. And then we can see what that looks like. Got some filters though. It's mostly because we're doing 3.8 to 3.12. Oh yeah, that's a big jump. I usually recommend going through each minor. 3.9 is honestly the hardest of those, in my opinion. Yeah, 3.9 was the hardest one for us, but that's because we were on 3.8 for so long and no one ever tried to update anything. You just regenerated string tokens, didn't rewrite shit. Hey, there you go. Pro at creating tech debt. Capability is bigger than an epic? That's what your scum master said? Are you sure? Yeah, maybe that's not great out of context. I'd love to babysit it, but we've got testing requirements and are up against a deadline for deprecation on our provider. Oh. Yeah, you got a different problem then. Labels. Add support for label label. So the commit message is a lie, but we'll make that true after after we do a bit of work on this. For a long time, YouTube search thought your last name was Writes Code. That's so funny. Yeah, I kind of makes sense. Let's see if Anthony Edwards Dunk. Oh, it actually knows that I'm a thing now. That's cool. Anthony writes code Docker. Clearly, I need to make a video on pip tools. Anthony writes code IDE. Anthony writes code VODs. Does this actually go to the right channel? What does? Look at that. What does this do? What is your text editor? Why is it not Vim? Whoa. Whoa. I thought that was the... I turned into a robot for a second. What the fuck? That was weird. Pip tools. What does this come up with? I mean, fair. Anyway. Rich Jake says, I'm dropping the software for my new job title. I'm not gonna lie, kind of hype about it. Wait, are you pure engineer now? That's kind of cool. The tools are so good. Yeah, I'm a fan. Although, I think it could be simpler. My new title is Kubernetes Infrastructure Engineer. Oh. Oh. You're a YAML engineer. That's kind of cool. I wonder if pip will accept a PR to add the compile command. Probably not. I think it's been proposed for like a real long time. Also, I don't know if pip is the right place to put it. And typically they've been like, we're an installer. We don't care about there's no fucking way I'm gonna find this tracker though. We don't care about your project setup, blah blah blah. Deploy dev please. Basically, yeah. At least you didn't go from software real estate to real estate agent. True, although depending on the market, you could make a lot of money doing that. Pip tree was upstreamed? Really? Really? Runner. I might be dreaming. I don't think it was. Yeah, I don't think it is. Install, download, install, phrase, inspect. Try that one a sec. List show. Is it a part of show, maybe? I hate that these aren't alphabetized. I get it that they're like in order of importance, maybe. But, pip show. Show options, files, pip list. Format. No. What am I thinking of? Pip freeze. Does this have an option for it? Nope. Pip inspect. What is pip inspect? I don't know. Inspect the content of environment, produce report in a JSON format. Yeah, I don't think there's a tree thing. Margarine Mole says, what is the cube thing called? I want one. I don't know. I think I found it on Amazon though. My mom got it for me, so I didn't actually buy it myself. Let's see, metal fidget cube. Similar to this one. Probably this one. I think. Here we go, affiliate link. I think it's this thing. Metal Infinity Cube Prime for stress and anxiety relief / ADHD. Yep, they got me right there. Just put me in the fucking product description at this point. Okay, so that's deployed to dev now. We not print. Private tab, private window. Oh, I gotta log in to get up again. Damn it. Ace Tilly 2. Paste. Bonk my microphone. As we do. Pog nice. Yeah, there we go. Margarine Mole, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oramus is here. Hello, hello. 40 days to arrive and Amazon lost your package? Damn, that's way too long. Okay, so we want to add a label to one of these. Label. How do I? Labels. Here we go. Pre-commit.ci run. Actually, how do these get? They what are they called here? Where's the comment bit? Comment. Pre-commit.ci run. There's also pre-commit.ci autofix. So we will make those the same. Pre-commit.ci run. Give me a yellow. Give me a yellow. Damn it, do I have to yellow myself? I just want a yellow. God damn it. Oh, here we go. Pre-commit.ci autofix. Give it a light yellow. Sure. Okay, cool. So we have a label now. I should be able to. Oh, I'm gonna have to log in AWS. Here. alias.amazon.com. Login. To dev. AWS. Dev. Paste. Oh, I got the fake code for this too. What's Lucas doing with deadsnakes? Not much for a while. He's supposed to help me release it and maintain it a little bit. But I think we both found out that it's a little bit too specific to my workflows. And it's hard to make the scripts work for anyone else. Also, building on ARM Macs doesn't work. Debian tools just like shit the bed if they're emulated. So I would have to fix that first for it to make it easier for him to contribute. And I have not had time. If GitHub adds ARM support for Linux, and then I can build Docker images. Well, when GitHub adds it, because I already know that they're working on it. That's in secret alpha that I was supposed to get allow listed for, but never happened. When GitHub adds ARM, it'll be easier for me to make Docker images, and then I can make the ARM workload work properly. And then they'll probably be able to do all the stuff and validate the builds and release them and all that. But until then, it's understandably difficult for him to contribute, and so yeah, he's maintainer in name at the moment, but that's fine. We'll make it better later. Web. Okay, so we'll get logs here eventually, but let's try and trigger one of these now. I should be able to. Yeah, we've been trying this here. If we add pre-commit.ci run to this, should get a Lambda event in here. I am kind of surprised that there are so many events in here, given it should just be my account. I guess it's auto update day, and maybe those happened already. Oh, also I gotta upgrade these. I gotta upgrade my VM too. I haven't done that yet. Init, start, and report. Oh, newer event. Should be a newer event. 21. Should be a newer event in here. No? Init, start, end. Where's my printed output? Damn it. Yeah, what the fuck? Where's my... I deployed this, right? Deployed to dev. And pull request labeled. And we label the pull request. What the hell? I'm just gonna add and remove the label a bunch of times and surely we'll get an output somewhere and I'll be able to find it in the UI. Alright. Let's see if we got an output yet. Secret Alpha says it out loud. Yeah, who gives a shit? What are they gonna do? What are they gonna do? Opt me into it? Damn, this should be generating webhooks. Why is it not? This demo, I know this is hooked up, right? Oh, but there's no statuses here. That's... Yeah, this repo's hooked up. And this pull request got a run. Why is there no status on the main branch? Maybe maybe I just haven't merged in so long. Yeah, because these commits are over a year ago, so maybe that's why they're not there. But that doesn't mean that I shouldn't be getting these events. Do they get called Ghostbusters? Anthony Busters? Yeah. Where it says, I thought DTL meant Pokemon Ruby there. 1010. Okay, surely this has our init start. No newer events. Get up. Where are the events? Why are they not here? There it is. We found them with search. Why does this have so many? Okay. Unterminated string literal. Oh yeah, true. JSON. I can never remember whether it's object file or file object. I think it's object file. Yeah, that seemed to have worked. Oh, except... Except I meant to indent it so that I could read it. There we go. All right. Sample request payload PR labeled. All right, what all information do we have in here? Love me JQ. Yeah, JQ is pretty good. I've never played Pokemon. I'm a zoomer. Oh. Fans and why ADRS makes its UI worse. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so dump data to file. Yeah, it's like CP. That's how I try and remind myself of it. That's also what I learned, what I use for LN. LN-SF source destination. It's like CP. JSON.dump. It's like CP. But I always forget. Oh, that's a cool setup, Ormus. I like that. Corman, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Okay. Labels. Oh, they do have an ID. Name. But it should tell me like what it was labeled with. Label. Label. Yeah. Okay, this is what we want. That is what we want. Okay, so this should be what we need. Oh, my water is low, so I'm gonna go fill that up. I will be right back. And then we can figure this out. So I'll see you in a sec. All right, we're back. Okay, so we basically just need to look for this and then build an event on that. Should be very easy. So we have these created, edited, and we should... We don't have an issue key, that's fine. So if data label name in pre-commit.ci run and pre-commit.ci autofix. We want not in. If turn. So then what do we need to do? We need to make a event thingy thing. We actually don't need to do this permissions check because only repository writers should be able to make the comments. We don't need to do this reaction thing. Alright, says, I've been trying not streaming this weekend. I think I can only stream this week because my fiance is away. Might try and talk her into letting me stream a few hours twice a week. Nice! I missed your stream because I was busy, but I saw you were doing it, which is exciting. I'm glad you're motivated to make that happen. Do you have any advice on hosting a programming stream when it comes to things like drawing attention or hosting? That's the tough part, is getting started. You're gonna be talking a lot to yourself for a while, and I you know, part of that is I think good practice, because talking to yourself is real fucking weird. Talking to a computer, even if there's no one in chat, like, you just gotta go through the motions for a while. I think for me, the biggest growth things were being consistent. So like setting a schedule and sticking to it, and having some amount of continuity, like working on the same sets of projects over and over. And then just, I don't know, be interesting, interact with chat, celebrate your small wins, and growth may or may not come. It's really just like, you know, how lucky you get in some ways. Okay, do run for PR. I think it's really just this. Status. I think the pull request event is already in here. Yep. So it should just be that simple. Do run for PR, data equals data, force autofix equals label equals autofix, and then we gotta remove the label. GitHub API remove label. No, I don't know what that's gonna need. Pull request label. Do you always have a specific room location for streaming? I'm currently just using my work desk in my living room, which is a bit in the way. Yeah, I have a specific, I mean, I also just do random shit on this computer too, but for the most part, yeah, I'm always in the same spot, same setup, consistent background, etc., etc. List labels for an issue. We don't want we don't want pull requests, we don't want issue labels, we want pull request labels. Add labels to an issue, set labels. Remove all labels from an issue. But the problem is we're not dealing with issues, we're dealing with pull requests. GitHub REST API pull request. Pull requests. Labels. Really? 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 I think it might be in this one. Oh, maybe it is in the REST API for issues. Orstos, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. And the subscription with Prime. Appreciate that. Welcome to the stream. Appreciate you subscribing and hanging out. It's like being in a really long meeting. Yeah, streaming's kind of like that. Okay, so I guess labels are not here. Update a pull request. I feel like this was part of it. Yes. Okay, so maybe it is just the label endpoints. Issues. Labels. List add set. Remove a label. This is what we want. Delete. Web GitHub API. API remove label. So we need. I think we can cheat though. We can use repository ID. Repo ID int. And then. Griswa, hello, welcome back. How you doing? ID. We have PR, which is int. And label as stir to none. And then rec. Use the super secret repo ID route. And PR label. I'm probably gonna have to escape that. It equals delete. Token. That should be it, honestly. Should be it. Equals data repository ID comment no PR data pull request number. I'm pretty sure we'll double check that. And we'll need a token which we can retrieve here. Does this also retrieve a token? It does. In theory, that's kind of a little wasteful, but it's fine, I guess. Missing label. Yes, of course. Thank you, my pie. Yeah, this might be good enough. Might work. I guess we can do a little prediction. Will this succeed? Yes, no. I'll give you 30 seconds. You got a quick gamble this time. quick little gamble on this one. Misty's Nut says, I myself in the current age would just fuck it and become a VTubing anime princess or such. that is definitely a route. Did it get rid of the print? Yeah, it did. Okay. Oh, did I only do 30 seconds on that? I probably only did 30 seconds. I got 1 yes and 3 no's. Barely any points in here. I should have done it for a minute. My bad. Oh well. We'll see. See what it does. Okay. Okay, that looks fine. This to succeed, then I can deploy to dev, and then we can try it out. Yeah, it's too fast. It's my bad. Oh well, not many points are going to change hands. Deploy dev, please. I'm perching my personal laptop on top of my closed work laptop at the desk. Hey, there you go. Working sounds lame, yeah. Come on. It's taking a while. Oh, it's doing its validation. So it's actually already there. Alright, cool. How do I try this? I guess we can turn off autofixing. Autofix PRs to false. Yep. Why are there 3 PRs? Drugs? Let us, this is a failure. Oh, I need to turn that back on because I think I used this as my demo repo. Oh, that's what the extra PR was. There's the validation script running. So yeah, I'll have to turn that back on in after this. Oh, it's doing a raid, a real raid. Look at this. Not shiny though, so who cares? Oh, and Zapdos has entered the fray because it's dark type. Cool. Bop. Oh, that does a lot of damage. Okay, that's pretty good. All right, so this is failing. Good, perfect. That's what we want to see. Failing, skipped because autofix. Oh, we can update this messaging too. And if we add the autofix label, it kicked off the run. Okay. Did it remove the label? It didn't remove the label. Fuck. Fuck. Well, it mostly worked. It mostly worked. But unfortunately, we're gonna have to choose the outcome no. It didn't remove the label. Why didn't it remove the label? Oh, I probably got the wrong... I didn't double check the pull request number thing. Sample request, and we can look at the stack trace, but load your labeled pull request number. No, that's right. I'm gonna bet it's the URL encoding. Yeah, it probably needs URL encoding. That'd be my guess. All right, let's see what errors we got here. Web. Refresh this. Really, it's one of these ones, right? No, it doesn't look like that one. Should be an error. There we are. Error. Invalid URL. URL cannot contain control characters. Is this space a control character? Like, what the fuck? Not a valid string, sequence, or mapping object. Is it quote? Got a %20 of the boy? It's true. It's true, it's true. Okay, that's easy to fix now, though. Let's unlabel this. I actually gotta close this because we gotta make a new one. GitHub API delete. We're in here. Label equals 0lib.parse.quote. Label. Got that. What else are we using this for? Oh, URL encode a thingy. Yeah. No, you were right. These nuts. These guys says I have holidays for 3 weeks. Nice. Silly poor people and their weird little hobbies. Do. Okay. This should work now. I guess we can do another prediction. Although, surely it's not gonna fail this time, right? We'll let you gamble away though. Oh, we got an RKJ issue. Configurable PR reviewers. I don't think I'm gonna do this. This is probably easier to do with GitHub Actions rather than pre-commit.ci needing to handle this. I think there's actually a duplicate for this as well. Bezos let me gamble. Oh, because you're in a country where gambling is verboten. Okay, did this finish yet? Yep. Okay, so then deploy dev, please. The dev validation is actually going to fail right now because that autofix is off. Which is fine, I guess. Oh, actually, I just thought of an even easier way for RKJ to do what they want. Even easier. Did anyone actually vote no? Let's see. Nope. So everyone's just getting their points back. Also, nobody put in big points. It was all little baby points. Okay. So that deploy to dev, the validation should fail, which is fine. And then we need to validate it by doing something like this. This fails. Make a PR. Craft is fine. Kprep says, Anthony, could you briefly explain the different commit push manual in pre-commit? I'm kind of confused. So there are a lot of different Git hooks. You're talking about, and actually commit and push are deprecated aliases. You're talking about stages. And stages allow you to target particular hooks. Most of them apply to the exact names of the Git hooks. So like pre-commit runs before a commit has succeeded, but after the message has been finalized. Pre-push happens before a push happens. You could cancel that, you can cancel a commit, etc., etc. There's a whole bunch of other stages as well, like commit message and such. They correspond to all of the Git hooks. There's a special stage added by pre-commit called manual, which allows you to trigger something manually without a particular well-known Git hook. Mostly so you can do one-off garbage. But that's what all those are, and the docs go over all of the different currently supported hooks. Okay, cool. We have a pull request. It is failing because we have turned autofixing off. If we add the run label, it shouldn't autofix it. It should just run it. And it does appear to be running it, and it should remove the label too. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. But it's still failing. Good. And if we do the autofix label instead, should run and autofix it. Come on, see it. Remove the label. Good. Hey, oh, let's go. Nice. Okay, cool. I like that. Let's undo this. Re-enable auto-fixing. Love pre-commit, by the way. Nice. Didn't know those are deprecated. I'll update my hooks. Yeah, it's mostly just like there used to be commit and push, and they were sort of ambiguous. This is the new names for those. I mean, new. They've been around for a while, just as aliases. The old ones aren't gone yet, but produce warnings. They'll be gone in next major version. Sweet! This is really cool. I'm pretty hyped about this. Add support for trigger via label. We probably also need to update the messaging. Well, how does this work? It's not hard-coded in the text somewhere. Fix skip read in. Oh, here we go. Yeah. So, push by bot. Push disabled. That isn't English. Push was made by to autofix this PR comment on the pull request. We could say comment or apply the label pre-commit.ci autofix to the pull request, although it makes less sense to say comment blah to the pull request. I guess it sort of makes sense. Comment or apply the label pre-commit.ci autofix to the pull request. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Yeah. And then we just need to document it, and then we're good. Cool. I like that. Misty's Nut says Brinkman is rough and respectful about her. Let that auto merge. Yeah, failure makes sense. Expandable. Pull that merge real quick. I got a bunch of notifications to merge these. Merge. Fragment itself, nice. That's wrapped around in the beginning, cool. Is this the page I was on? All right, so we just need to add docs for this once we deploy it. Do 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 do. You can trigger a rerun on a pull request by commenting or labeling doesn't make any sense. By commenting pre-commit.ci run must appear on the line itself. One can also attach a label to a pre-commit.ci run label to the pull request. Alternatively, one can attach a pre-commit.ci run label to the pull request. Disable comment on a pull request to manually comment / label to a pull request to manually trigger autofixing. When disabled, comment / label pre-commit.ci autofix to a pull request to manually trigger autofixing. Seems fine. Cool. Neil Server, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Been looking for a bit. Now, keyboard, I hope you had a great time in Vienna. I was also just there for a conference. Oh, neat. That's cool. Yeah, it was okay. Mostly just there for work. Prod, please. Please, I gotta spell please correctly. Oh my goodness. There we go. Document pre-commit.ci run / pre-commit.ci autofix labels. Bum 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 bum. You're sleepy. 5 minutes. I'm gonna be done. I just finished the thing. Standard Pointer, hello, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. Kprobe says, for manual pre-commit pre-push, why wouldn't the user just do pre-commit pre-push? If they wanted to run the hook manually, they can pre-commit run hook stage. Exactly. Yep, good call. Yeah, typically you don't need manual. Usually you would only use stages manual and not any of the other ones. Okay, that deployed to prod, cool. Now we can merge this, so we're all done. It's been a minute. It has been a minute, both for me and for you, because I skipped last week. But this is in a good state now, so I'm gonna call it you. That's exciting. I'm glad we got these two things working today, and it felt nice to work on pre-commit.ci again. It's been a bit since we've done that, but we got it working, and it was really easy to have that feature, which is also super nice. But that's gonna wrap us up for today. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So go there and subscribe when I remember to record and upload. Yeah, so go there. If you missed any part of the stream, you can catch up on the VODs channel, which is youtube.com/@anthonywritescode-vods, or you can just search anthonywritescode-vods, and apparently that'll land you there too. This is where the streams will go after. I don't upload them to Twitch anymore due to DMCA shenanigans that I don't have trouble with on YouTube because I don't record all of my music audio. Nice. You can also join the Discord, which is a fun little programming Discord. There's a bunch of fun social channels as well, or you can ask questions of beginners. And that's where I announce streams. Go hang out there. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to rate.